Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the system actually receives power, plug into a known good outlet, and flip the PSU switch. Once done, observe motherboard LEDs and listen for beep codes. These are your diagnostic language. If fan spins slowly or not at all, swap the power cable or use a spare PSU immediately. Prepare a USB-formatted FAT32 with the correct BIOS file on it. Make sure model and file name match precisely before moving to the recovery procedure. You now perform the core recovery actions. Set the motherboard to recovery mode using its jumper or push button while the system is powered down. Insert the prepared USB and power on to trigger BIOS flashback. Many boards indicate progress via LED blinking. If that fails, execute a crisis recovery method, remove the EEPROM if socketed, or reapply the flash using a programmer. Also, remove the CMOS battery for several minutes to clear persistent corruption. Then reinstall and retry the flashback sequence. You finish by resetting BIOS settings to defaults and trying a normal boot. Watch for post and device detection. If the system still shows no BIOS, use an SBI programmer to reflash the chip directly or consult a service center. Do this only if comfortable with soldering. Otherwise, seek RMA under warranty. If problems persist, make sure to record the exact LED and beep behavior and the flash steps you tried, because that information speeds up diagnosis and increases the chance of a success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.